Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Imsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe this my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and don't miss any other amazing video. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in light green colors in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional cakes, parties, baby showers, bridal showers, birthday, anniversary or any other celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing, most creative designs. And if you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trading. If you like more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These designs bring the excitement of birthday person life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique and trading. If you like any designs and if you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, happy wedding anniversaries and any other celebrations. Consider theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. I hope you like this decoration with theme and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake decorating ideas showcase love and celebration. I am sure birthday decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also try my amazing cake recipes, and they are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decorating ideas, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.